Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Argentina's two largest banks will allow crypto trading. The second thing I would like to talk about is that we had another DeFi hack. This time, $80 million were lost in crypto. And the third thing, that Solana suffers its seventh outage, and basically we can see that the system is not stable really yet. So guys, let's talk about all these things in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to keep yourself up to date, very important, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. Okay, and now let's move on to the prices. We can see that Bitcoin is 0.2% down in the last 24 hours, kind of sideways again, $38,575 at the moment. Ethereum is up 1.5%, $2,847. When we're looking at the top gainers, Algorand is up almost 18%. Then we have Helium 15.8, and then Fracshare 9.6. Do we have losers? Yes, we have. Stepping down, not much, 2.8%. And then, yeah, here, almost nothing. So let's have a quick look at the candlestick chart, where we can see that we're still holding this longer trend line, which we can draw here from mid of last year, from July. And yes, so this one, it's very well holding so far. But don't forget, tomorrow it's Wednesday, so we're waiting for the Fed announcement. What about the next basis points? What the move they're going to do? Has the market priced it in or not? You know, a lot of things going to happen then tomorrow. So tomorrow we can see another volatility, but so far so good. We're doing here on sideways movement, so meaning good, which is, you know, not going down under 37,500-ish, because then, and closing underneath, would form a new lower low, which obviously will break this uptrend what we're having here for a while. Yeah, okay, so tomorrow, one of the big dates. And then now let's move on to the next topic. And the next topic, it's all about that Argentina's largest two banks is allowing crypto trading. So the two biggest banks in Argentina made their moves, well, because they kind of have to. Argentina's largest and second largest private banks, Banco Galicia and Brubank, have announced that they will allow customers to make crypto purchases. So Bloomberg reported on Monday that a resounding 60% of respondents to an Argentinian poll asked for more access to crypto, which catalyzed the bank's decision to begin allowing crypto trading. And, Banco Galicia online's interface that it had begun supporting Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and XRP. Here you can see it in the Twitter post. And, South American nation has the 6th highest crypto adoption rate, by the way, in the world. And data and survey from Statist estimates that 21% of Argentinians has used or owned crypto in 2021. So, 21% of them. And it's very important, and this is the catalyst why they going for crypto that much, is that the inflation in April in Argentina is 55%. It's a big, big number. So basically, the value of their currency is just evaporating. And therefore, in these countries, crypto is not just an option like, well, okay, let's do it because it's trendy or it's fun. No, it's the tool to survive. And therefore, the bank simply realized that as well. They don't want to be left out. They made this poll is a push definitely from the customer side, that they would like to have crypto in the bank as well available. So the bank made their moves, and these are the two largest in Argentina. So, but the main reason is basically this massive inflation what they're experiencing over there. Okay, the next topic, it's all about a crypto hack. Another one in DeFi, this time 80 million US dollar worth of crypto was lost. Well, we can experience a couple of DeFi hacks recently, and I think this story will be on for a while because we are, really in this infant age of DeFi, and these smart contracts do have bugs, and the hackers always use these kind of bugs. So this time you can see that 80 million lost in attack on Rari Capital. So Rari Capital and the Fei protocol have been attacked today, which is actually not today. It was yesterday or before yesterday, something like that. So it's another major exploit. So hackers stole 80 million from Rari fuzz lending pools early Saturday. So there we go, on the weekend. So the Fei team is offering now the hacker $10 million bounty to return the funds. Will the hacker return it? We will see it. So, but continuingly, the trend seen in many other DeFi attacks over the past year, the hacker exploited what's known as a re-entrance bug. So this is what happened. So nothing new. This trend just continues. It happened with other DeFi protocols as well. A form of smart contract exploit that essentially allows an attacker to trick protocol into letting them withdraw an excess supply of token they don't actually own. Simple as that. Of course, not that simple to do it, but this is what is the problem in many cases. And a re-entrance bug is something which, were also in other smart contracts previously, which were hacked, and this just here continues. So we kind of have to live with it. So you have to be aware of it. If you put in your crypto in a lending pool, and definitely it's not on your hardware wallet, then you don't own the private key for that. Therefore, there's a risk. So if the security of that lending pool is not strong enough and it can be hacked, as it was this time, for instance, and previous other times with other protocols, then obviously your money will be gone. So please be aware of it, that DeFi and nice gains are looking beautiful, but it has a downside as well. And this is basically the fact that hackers can take your money. Right. And the next topic, now let's move on to Solana. Solana has other problems. Solana has the problems that had another, I had to say, outage. Well, Solana is famous from its speed, like how many transactions it can do per second. Still, there are bots, they keep crashing the system. So Solana suffered 7th outage in 2022 as both invade the network. So NFT minting bots on Solana contributed over 4 million transactions per second. What a crazy number. Knocking validators out of consensus and crashing the network for around 7 hours. Yes. So record-breaking 4 million transactions, or in other words, 100 gigabytes of data per second, congested the network, causing validators to be knocked out of the consensus, resulting Solana going dark for 8 p.m. UTC, on Saturday UTC time. And it went on until Sunday, 3 a.m. And, we have to face it, basically, that even Solana looks, promising, and many things are happening on Solana, but this kind of beta version of what they have, it's still having problems. And sometimes they have this kind of, when actually the system, it breaks down and it just cannot compete with the bots. 4 million transactions per second. It's something what their system couldn't really handle. And obviously the price, because of this, because again, something happened to Solana, part of the investors, in this case, selling, so it went down 7%, down to $84. Yes, so this is something what they have to work on. This is an issue what they have. But, we have to understand it, that at this stage where we are right now with many layer 1 protocols, we are in this testing period. This is a very, very early stage for Solana and many others. But yes, that's true that Solana is suffering more outage than others, the competitors. So it's not looking good for Solana in this case. On the other hand, when they can handle it, the speed, what they can provide, the transactions per second, looking pretty good compared to the competitors. So yeah, we will see. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. And of course, see you tomorrow when I will be back with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye.